Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI P Smart 2021 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode with the back camera. To get access to the mirror effect, let's change it to the front one. We can do it by tapping on this button here from the right. So hi again, and now let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick this, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the general settings, and here we have the mirror reflection option. So by using this button, we can easily turn it off and turn it on again as we need, like that, by just one tap. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.